Hi YouTube, this is a follow-up video for the Reolink wireless camera system that uses the solar panel. I've been testing this approximately for about 4 months, and I had it in different locations, and finally I put it near the pool, and it has been here probably for the last 3 months. In summary, this has worked very well. I decided to do this test to make sure that when I do use it, I'm going to place it in a place where I have to get up on a ladder about 17 feet from the ground, and I just want to make sure that I don't have to maintain it or do something because it fails every let's say 6 months. That would be horrible, because I plan to probably have about 6 of these, and I do not want to have that much maintenance. So let me get going and describe to you what this is about. So you can find the first video that I did, which is on the unboxing of it, which basically describe what comes with the camera, and a separate box that comes with the solar panel and the cable. So it has a rather long cable, about 6 foot long. No, actually it's longer. It's probably about 12 feet long or 10 feet. It goes all the way back there. So I have a separate video about the unboxing, and if you haven't watched it, that particular video, I'll put the link below in the description, so you can go jump to that video and watch that. But basically this is a solar panel that is specifically made for Reolink. As you can see there, the brand is pretty small. I'll show you relative to my hand. See, it's a pretty small, and it has a really nice metal mount. One of the reasons I chose this one is because this is a metal mount right here, and it plugs in. It plugs into the back of the camera like so. It's a pretty sturdy, watertight connection. I like it, and as you can see, this setup actually has been sitting next to my pool for 3 months, and I'm gonna show you that it has been working. One of my major concern is to make sure that it doesn't get full sunlight all the time. The solar panel is facing south, but as you can see, right now it's about 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning in Houston, December 5th, 2018. And what I'm trying to say is a beautiful day, but at current condition is you can see the sun actually is, the line is right here, is shaded. And this location I picked particularly because it doesn't get full sun all the time, and also there is this tree that has unfortunately died, but for the last 3 months this tree, or this small shrub, was blooming and was covering most of the light that comes into the solar panel, which is okay, which is what is the kind of test scenario that I wanted to have, not full sunlight. So I'm going to show you, even without full sunlight, that this camera has actually performed very well. So here I'm going to show you that this is the Reolink app that I use, and I'm going to show you this particular camera. So as you can see, it's streaming right now, it's live, and if I go here, go to settings, I can show you that the battery is at 98%. It usually hovers anywhere between 98% to 100%. I have never seen it go below 95% at any condition. Actually, I would say 80% of the time it is at 100%. So I'm actually surprised that today is at 98%, because like I said, most of the time that I actually check, every once in a while, just randomly, it's always been usually at 100%. So it's working very well. The distance of the wireless range, this particular camera is approximately about 50 feet away from my wireless router or access point, and it works really well. So if you look at the app here, if I just load the stream, expand it, and you can tell, let me put this right here, right next to the camera, and you can see I'm gonna wave my hand. It's a little bit choppy, but this is at the HD quality, and it works really well. So the camera has performed wonderfully well. I think I'm gonna put it in production now, finally. I'm impressed the fact that the brand is not very popular. It's not a NAS, it's not a Blink, it's not a Ring, so it's Reolink. I was tipped by my brother-in-law about this, and I actually like it. And I'm gonna give you some links below if you actually would like to take up my recommendation and would like to try Reolink. I'm going to put my Amazon link below in the description. Very much appreciate it if you would use the Amazon link. Give me a little bit of something. Thank you very much, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification button if you like this kind of video. I like to create DIY and tips about just general tech, home improvement, and things like that, and this is just one of them. Again, thank you for watching this Reolink final review or follow-up video. Have a good day.